Automating reports in Power BI with Power Automate. Manual reporting can be inefficient. This is true in fast-paced settings where data is always changing. Automating reports with Power Automate offers several benefits. Step-by-step guide to automating reports. Publish your Power BI report. Before automation, ensure your Power BI report is ready. It must be published to a workspace in the Power BI service. Set up Power Automate flow. Next, create a flow in Power Automate to automate the delivery or update of the report. Creating the flow, log in to Power Automate, go to Power Automate 2. Create a new flow, select Create Greater Than Automated Cloud Flow. Add Power BI actions, for example, export to file for Power BI reports lets you generate a PDF or PPT version of the report. Use cases of Power BI and Power Automate integration. Scheduled report delivery, automate weekly or monthly reports to stakeholders by email or shared folders. Real-time alerts, send alerts and updated reports when certain thresholds are reached in the data. Client reporting, generate personalized reports for clients and automatically share them. Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating Power BI with Power Automate simplifies reporting. It lets businesses focus on insights, not operations.